friends, and welcome back, and thank you so much for stopping by if this is your first visit to my happy home. In this video I am joining Bobbycatskitten on her very first open invitation collaboration. I will leave a link of her channel in the description box below, so if you are not familiar with her channel yet, make sure you go over there to show her some love and support. You guys, she is so talented and so creative, and she makes the most wonderful and glamorous DIYs. In this collaboration, she asked us to either share a fall tour with you, or a DIY that we previously made, or just create a DIY for you. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a DIY and share that with you. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to create, then keep on watching. And I want to take this time to thank you, Bobbycatskitten, for hosting this wonderful collaboration, and I sure do not hope that this will be your last one. So without any further ado, let's get started.
I thrifted this framed canvas a while back for just 50 cents. If you have missed that haul, I will leave an iCard up here. So anyway, I got it for only 50 cents, and when I saw it I knew immediately what I was going to do with it. So this is how it looks like, and I'm now going to take out the canvas and I'm going to paint it white so that I have a clean base to work with. For this project I used my regular white acrylic primer, you guys. I gave it 2 coats and then I was good to go. I thought that the white was just too plain white, so I mixed up some brown, black and white acrylic paint, and I am using the dry brush technique to give it a distressed look. Now while my canvas is drying, I wanted to go and darken up the frame a little bit more, and I started out with this antique wax, but it didn't really give me the look that I was going for. So I decided to go in with this darker bee wax, and that eventually created the look that I was looking for. Now that my canvas is dry, I can go ahead and create my sign. Here I'm just trying out how I want my printouts to be on the canvas. You guys, since I don't have a pretty handwriting, I love using transfer paper, but of course you can use either stamps or stencils or just some sticker letters, and that will be just fine, but I don't have any of those, so my transfer paper works perfect. So if you're anything like me and you don't have a pretty handwriting, then I can really recommend using transfer paper, you guys. It is so easy to work with, and it is suitable to copy just about anything on a piece of wood, leather, fabrics, or even canvas like I am right now, or just anything in between. I previously did a DIY where I used transfer paper and then just some permanent marker, but since I wanted to use some different colors and I didn't have the markers in the different colors that I want to use, I am going to just color them in with some acrylic paint and a small paintbrush. The next few minutes you will just see me painting, so I won't be doing any talking. And this is the end product, you guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how super cute this turned out. I am so totally satisfied with the end result. Anyway, I want to thank Bobbycatskitten for hosting this wonderful collaboration. Thank you, girl. I really had a fun time participating. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, I would really love it if you would stick around and hit that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. So for now, thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next one really soon. Until then, remember to live, laugh and love. Bye!